Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun refers to a person, a place, a thing, or an idea that may or may not be specifically named. Here is a list of common indefinite pronouns. Examples of indefinite pronouns in sentences are: I have packed everything we will need for our camping trip. Everything is the indefinite pronoun in this sentence. Another example: has anyone seen my binoculars? Anyone is an indefinite pronoun in this sentence. Another example: someone told me they have gone on vacation. Someone is an indefinite pronoun in this sentence. Another example: nobody has bought any of the jewelry on sale. Many of the pronouns you have studied so far may also be used as adjectives. For example, whose sunscreen? More melon. This boy. Each can.
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Identify the indefinite pronoun in each sentence. Let's go.
Complete the mission.
Time's up. And here are the answers. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye. Yeah.